Hello, gorgeous. So, how's everything today? And for me, it's really, really an amazing day. And it's my friend's birthday. Happy birthday to my friend Joreen. Yes. And now I am going to ready to go to her party. So, I am planning how and what style I will have for today. And so we need to check something that I can wear, something good. Okay, so um I let's do it. So I have here a pencil cut from Zara. Yes. Okay, so this is off-white. So let us see. Maybe this is good. Yeah. Because I have a little bit big tummy. Don't worry about that. And it's really cold. Remember, guys, that it's winter this time. So we need to wear something very thick, okay? But I don't know if this will fit me. It will make a good sense. Let us see. Opa! Wow. What do you think about that, guys? What do you think? It's very simple. Very simple. Um, I don't know if I will put belt. I don't think that I will put belt because you can see it's very tight in here, and if I will sit down, it's really, really hard for me, especially when I will eat. So I think this one is okay. Very simple, and I can move. The first thing that we can do to remember, I mean, is how we can move. That we are free to move whenever, what we are going to do, or walk, free to move, free to dance. But okay, guys. So what do you think about it? So I will take this, and of course I have a boots. Yeah, black boots, something like that. So what do you think, guys? And I have a big earring. I think the earring is not so good. Maybe I will change it to, I don't know, maybe I will change to something very simple only. And my makeup will be like that. Lipstick, and that's it. So, oh my God, I don't know. I don't know. It's crazy, and I'm so. This is my vlog. I will teach you guys how to do your own style in a nice way and in a cheap way. So I'm buying all these things in a cheap way. So in a cheap, very cheap one, in a cheap way. Sorry, in a very cheap one, and yeah, I think really nice. So I like it. Okay, so next I will have another one. Okay, guys, so I'm here again. So I have here again from Zara. Yes, and don't worry, it's really cheap. So I think it will be I will use this like this because it's really cold outside. But let me. Oh my God, I put red already. Lipstick. Yeah, something like that. Because of my stomach problem, I have a little bit big tummy, and so I need to wear this also on the top. This I bought in New Yorker. Seems like €1, so 60 pesos. Okay, so let me see if it's good on me. So I think this is not really good because the weather is really winter, really winter. So can you, wow, I love it. Can you imagine? Look at this. There's a garter in here. Wow. And I love it. It's like, you know, feeling kid. Yes. So how do you like it, guys? How do you like it? Anyway, I will not be cold because I have this one in here. And of course, we are inside the hotel. We are inside the restaurant. So it will be okay. And yeah. And I will use this. So this one is really nice. This one is nice. But I don't want to be like very, uh, I don't want to be like very, look at that. So this one is good. Only this in, oh my God. Okay. So I think, yeah. What can you say? I love it. Wow. So what can you say? Please rate. And of course, I have my bag with me. So I think this is not my type. Okay. So yeah. Okay, let's change. So as you can see, guys, I have this red one that made me so comfortable because I can move freely. And I have here this one, but I'm not really comfortable. It's like that, it's not good for the weather. Okay, this is really for summer or spring. And so I have another one in here. I have this also. So let me check it. We will check together. Wow, this one is really good. I love the color. Wow, I love the color of this. I love the color of this. And of course, I have my bag with me. I have my bag with me. So I love the color of this, really. I'm not kidding. So, I mean, red is okay. Red is okay. I mean, red is okay. Red is okay. But the color of this is really fantastic. Do you like it? And you will have your bag, something like this. Please rate. Okay, guys. Okay, so anyway, I need to put my coat, which I bought in Zara also. And it's really so beautiful. So it will be like that. Right. I don't know what to say, but I think I am in between the red one and this really purple. So what can you say, guys? Please comment below, and I would love to hear all um, your opinion about this. Okay, so thank you, guys. Thanks a lot, and God bless us all. Cheers. Adios.